Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power. Charge the case and both PowerBeats Pro to at least 20%, then open Android settings and turn on Bluetooth and location. Once done, put the earbuds in their case, open the lid, and press and hold the case's system button until the LED flashes. This forces pairing mode. Make sure other paired devices are off or away, because active connections can block discovery. Now leave the case lid open and move to your phone to finish discovery and pairing. On your Android phone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and start a fresh scan. You may need to tap Pair New Device. When PowerBeats Pro appears, tap it to connect and accept any PIN or permission prompts. This links media and call audio. If pairing fails, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or restart the phone and try again. Once paired, play a short audio clip to verify left/right channels and mic functionality. Make sure the phone's media volume is up, not just call volume. After pairing, check Android's connected device settings and enable both media and call audio profiles. This ensures music and calls route correctly. If offered, install the Beats or device support app to check firmware and battery levels. For final tweaks, adjust equalizer or Bluetooth codec in phone settings if your Android supports it. If problems persist, dropouts, no mic, or stuttering, reset the earbuds. Place them in the case, close then open the lid, and press and hold the system button for about 15 seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.